Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to post a status or story on your WhatsApp. To do this, you just need to go to your WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp account, and after that, as you can see at the bottom of your screen, there is an option called updates. Click on it, and after that, as you can see, the first option is status. Just click on the plus button on the picture icon, and as you can see, it will open here the pictures on your phone and the videos. You can choose any picture that you want. For example, I will choose this one, and to put this picture as a story on your WhatsApp, you just need to click on the green icon on the bottom right of the screen like this, and click on send. And as you can see, the status and the story just posted, and it will stay there for 24 hours, and after that it will be deleted automatically. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.